Good day to you. It's Miss Gromberg here, and we're going to start by playing Guess My Letter. I'll say the letter sound, and you tell me the letter. So the first one is ooh. Do you know what letter that is? Ooh. I'll show you. It's the letter L. The next, oh, lovely. The next letter is J. 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 Did you say J? That's right. Give yourself a little jiggle. Okay, the next sound is Did you say F? That's fantastic. Okay, the next letter sound is D. 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 Did you say D? Daring. D. What about ah? Ah. Did you say O? Make an O with your mouth. Oh, that's right. Okay, last one. G. G. What's my letter? G. G. That's my name, Miss G for Gromberg. Okay, so that's that. Now let's play Guess My Word. I'm going to break apart a word and you're going to put it apart like a puzzle. I like puzzles. The first word is D-A-G. What's my word? D-A-G. I'll show it to you. D-A-G. Dog. Woof, woof. Okay, the next word is J-A-G. J-A-G. I'll show it to you. J-A-G. Jog. I like to go for a jog. Feels good. Okay, the next word is L-A-G. 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 Log. One more. Whoops. Yes, one more. A-G. 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 Fog. That's right. Give yourself a pat on the back for doing an amazing job. I'm so proud of you for working super duper hard. I have one more activity and we're going to use the same words, but now I say the word and you break it apart. We're switching it up. Dog. This is our last game. Dog. You can just tell me the sounds. D, A, G. D, A, G. Dog. Okay, the next word is jog. Break it apart. So what's the first sound? Couldn't hear you. Oh, J. Okay. J, A, G. Good. J, A, G for jog. What about log? Log. U, A, G. Good. U, A, G. Log. Okay. Last word, fog. A, G. A, G. That's fog. You did it. That is so wonderful. Thank you for playing the game again with me today. So we worked on A, E, I, O. So if you've been following along, we're really working hard on those vowel sounds. Tomorrow will be you. So see you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now.